Hey friends, this is the View Plus. It's made by AirThings and it's an air quality monitor. It's packed with features. What we're gonna do today is unbox it, we're gonna set it up, and I'm gonna show you the different things that it can monitor. Now, some of the features to take note of is that it is wireless. You can control and get data feedback using an app on your phone. It's battery operated, or you can plug it in with a USB port. And again, you have that app and dashboard to control and get all of your notifications / monitoring data. Now, it also works with Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa, which is really powerful. The inside of the packaging is actually really cool. This is fully recyclable material. So again, they're conscious about the environment, which we like. You can see the main unit as well as the directions that you can use. Here's a quick look at everything inside of the packaging. Some booklets. You have your USB charging port. You have the main unit. Obviously, we'll take a closer look at that. Then you have these little stickies. This is what you're going to use if you want to hang this on the wall, maybe near a thermostat or something like that. So it's within easy viewing distance. Now, the main unit's very simple in nature. You can see it has the input areas where the air goes in, so the unit can gather data. It's also able to just stand on its own. So again, this is really nice. You can have this by a bedside table or anywhere in a room where you can easily look over and get that data. And again, it's nice and portable, so you can put this in multiple rooms and test the air quality in different areas of your home, office, or other environment where you're interested in getting that data. On the back, again, you can see very, very simple. There is the USB port in there. So there's a little plastic tab that we can remove. That enables the batteries to connect and begin working. Now, this is how easy it is to set up. Basically, you download the app. You can use this QR code to get that. Pull that tab on the back to get the batteries working. And then basically you just follow the in-app instructions to get it going. Okay, so we're in the App Store on my iPhone. If you're using your Google Android device, then you can get that from the App Store through Google. What we're gonna do is type in AirThings. As you can see, it's the first application that shows up. I'm gonna go ahead and get that. We'll download it to our phone. Once it's downloaded, let's go ahead and open it up. Now, we don't have an account with AirThings just yet, so let's go ahead and click the Get Started button. Okay, after you type in your email, it will send you a confirmation code that you have to type in. Enter that, and then you'll have to re-enter your password to do a full login. Now we're on our country code, so let's go ahead and select the US. And now we're set to the home page within the application. We're now ready to connect the device. Okay, let's click the Add Device button down here at the bottom. Now the application is going to ask for a Bluetooth permission, so let's go ahead and give it to it. We're now scanning for devices, and so what we need to do is pull that plastic tab out of the back of our device. That's going to enable the batteries, and then we can go ahead and start setting up. As soon as I waved my hand in front of the device, a little green light appears, and we get the View Plus. Let's click that check mark and click Next. We can now add the device name if we want to by clicking the little Edit button. We can also do that with My Home if you'd like to name it something different, and then we'll click Add Device. So we're now going to need to get a pairing code. Again, this is just a security measure to make sure you are connecting to something that is in your home. Let's click on that. And basically a passcode has come up on the device. We're going to type that in here and then we'll pair it. Now, the last thing you will need to do is connect to your Wi-Fi network, and that will allow you to monitor all of your information on the go through the app anywhere, basically where you have a Wi-Fi connection. So we now have a new device added. Let's click Done. Now back here at the sensor, what we can do is just wave our hand in front, and as you can see, we can get a really quick readback that yes, the air quality is good. Now I'm in my app right now. As you can see, I have the View Plus already set up as a device. So if I click on the down arrow, we're going to get all of our readings. Again, this is reading from the room where the device is currently located. And as you can see, we have all sorts of good data points, including temperature, air pressure. We do need to wait a few days for the CO2 and VOC readings to properly calibrate, and then we'll get readings on that. Radon can be detected within the first couple of days, but you really need to give it at least 30 days to get accurate readings. This is what the app looks like. Again, you can check it anywhere you have an internet connection. So again, friends, that's the initial setup and a quick look. Stay tuned. We're going to make a bunch more videos showing you how the monitoring looks, what the application looks like after this has been calibrated. Stay tuned for those. Hit that thumbs up if this has helped, and we'll see you again on the next one.